the baby doll for the sub. Shout out to Lovely T. Shout out to Whoop 34. Appreciate y'all for subbing, man. Shout out to Bella Cali for the sub. Shout out to Josiah, Jesse. Appreciate that sub. Shout out to Guaciana for the sub. Shout out to Jeff.
Rebooted it. I did a reboot, but it stayed live.
It's still over there.
Yep, there we go.
Shout out to Fix Gnarly for the sub. Shout out to Lexi 2 Raw for the sub. Shout out to D Shells 22 for the sub. Shout out to Olas Nail. Appreciate those subs, man. Sub up, chat. Shout out to Honestly_ KC. Shout out to NBA Game Face. Appreciate the sub. What's up, chat? How do I look? Just chilling. Drinking Kool-Aid. You heard that?
Mm-hmm.
Sound like niggas are near. I hate when niggas are near, chat. Just ate this turkey wing. About to warm this shit up. Hey, shout out to Skittles. What the fuck? W shut up. Look at them Skittles. I hear niggas. There's niggas on this floor? Nigga number 3? Thought we was the only niggas on this floor.
I thought so too. I knocked on all the rooms.
Remind me to tell nigga number 1 to don't book no fucking rooms with niggas on the same floor as us, nigga.
Got you, boss. Just wrote down.
Didn't even fucking notes. No niggas on my floor, nigga.
Wrote it down.
Gonna warm this up. Don't you fucking move. Where the chicken wings at, nigga?
You gotta push the two buttons together, then press the button. You got. Get my food out of there! Give me my food! You told me not to move.
The microwave stole my food, nigga.
I mean, I come help, but you said don't move.
You know how to open this shit?
Yes. Press the unlock button and the stop button together, and then press the open button. Nope. Like this. Yeah, you gotta put them
Do
together.
this shit, nigga.
So I can move?
Come on, get right here.
Alright.
Show the fucking stream. What I'm doing wrong.
Gotta press these two buttons together. There you go.
What stupid ass shit is that? What the fuck idea was that? What the
Probably,
fuck idea was that?
probably, bro.
Fuck. Stupid shit I've ever seen. Slicing with chicken. Bro, you do this shit, bro. This is the stupidest shit ever. This is like the dumbest shit I've ever seen. Come on. Yeah, that was like... Better not be no niggas out there. So I got, we're good. So you guys want to watch me eat? Have lunch with me. What you guys eat today? Did you eat a dick today? Shout out to Picky Choosy for the sub. You know, Picky Choosy. Well, if you didn't eat a dick today, you don't even gotta be bad. All you gotta do is be clean, and I'll fuck you. Chad, can you hear me chewing? Because I heard, I watched some clips while I was eating and I was chewing so loud and it kind of annoyed me. So tell me if I'm chewing too loud, chat. Shout out to Rebecca. Appreciate that sub. No, I don't care. I just didn't want it to be like if I'm talking while I'm chewing, you're gonna miss the joke. Yeah. Shout out to Kareem for the sub. Okay, Kareem. I hear niggas. There not be no niggas on this floor, nigga number 3. You not pay all this money for this fucking room, nigga, for it to be niggas on this floor. Shout out to Lucky Left Life for the sub.
This for sure niggas.
For sure niggas on this floor.
I smell them.
I smell niggas. I love Kool-Aid. I'm a typical nigga, chat. I like fried chicken. I like Kool-Aid. I like grape soda. Typical stereotype. I love watermelon too. Oh, that shit good. Chat, should we do like stream all day out here? You guys want me to stream all day? Cause I'll fucking do it. Some good Kool-Aid, there, homies. Nigga need the recipe, really. Yeah, chat, this is a hotel. I'm in Miami, Florida. Shout out to Locked Stock for the sub. That's alright, man. Shout out to Locked Stock for the sub. Appreciate that. Yeah, chat. Make sure you guys go watch that video. You guys see that video I dropped today? Or what? Shout out to Matt's son. Look at out Matt's son. The song is called Breaked Up. Official video out on YouTube right now. With me and Stunner Girl. Check it out. Are you connected to the hotel Wi-Fi? It's on the refrigerator. What? Just chilling in this hotel room. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm not gonna see you today.
How are you gonna see me tonight? I said how?
What you mean how?
You don't live in Florida? You can't fly, nigga.
I can't.
You got them fucking wings.
Yes, I do.
For no reason, you ain't got enough Red Bull.
Why should we see you away?
How?
What you mean?
You out
Get
here?
on a plane.
Oh, you gonna get on a plane? You can't get on a plane that fast.
Why not?
Because it's impossible.
It's not impossible. It's
Okay.
only 2 hours.
Well, excuse me.
Yeah.
Shit. I like me a little stalker bitch.
Don't you call me a stalker.
Because you said you're gonna be out here. I'm trying to figure out how you're gonna be out here within hours matters. Only a stalker could do that.
That's wild.
You got the drop?
You said what?
I said you got the drop?
I sure do.
Okay. Okay. Well, shit, you know where to find me. Come find me then.
You done being funny?
No, I will be so very surprised if I see you out here today.
That you would be surprised?
Yeah, I will be surprised if I see you out here at the party or club or wherever I'm supposed to be.
Well, I miss you. I'm really cool.
Alright. I thought you was gonna be out here. Bush.
I know.
Okay. Nah, you crazy.
What time is the shoot you going to tonight?
Shit, I don't know. Probably about. You know how Miami is. Nigga. What you mean, what time?
Yeah.
What's up with you though? I've been seeing you going viral.
Yeah.
What you got going on, girl?
What you mean? I just be speaking the truth.
Huh?
I just be speaking the truth.
You speaking the truth?
I didn't like that Bree was trying to act like you did something that you didn't, basically.
Oh yeah. Bree's crazy. She's just having a moment. She'll be alright.
She was having a moment. She was drunk and on drugs. That's what her moment was. And now she's sober.
Exactly. Sure.
And she want to call it a manic episode.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we all have manic episodes when we drunk, I guess. What the hell?
Yeah. You too.
You said what?
I said you too.
Me too.
Yeah.
What? Me too what?
You know what, nigga?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you talking about, huh?
All I know is that I miss you.
Oh, okay. What you miss the most about me?
That
Hey, you don't miss my fucking brain?
yeah, I miss that on too.
I'm just kidding. Shut up. Good looking. I appreciate that.
You said what?
I said no. Good looking. I appreciate that.
Or what?
That you missed it.
Oh yeah. You don't miss this bushy gushy.
Yeah, it's alright.
You said it's alright.
You said
That's
it's
not what you was
alright.
telling me.
Ooh.
That's not what you was telling me.
Oh. That homies?
I guess you be telling every female that.
Nah. Chill. Chill.
Why do you got it down like ASAP like right now?
Nigga, you far. What are you talking about? You talking like you up the street.
I am. You gonna see me in the back
This is only 12 inches. I can't get it 2,000 miles away.
You said 12 inches?
Motherfucker don't reach that for.
Wow, it reached pretty far.
You stupid.
You ain't gotta put too much work in. Yeah. If you just be coming every few months, that's what you're saying?
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Hell no. If I was doing that, I would have a lot more going on.
I'm like, do I need to post our sex tape for you tonight? Maybe some attention.
No, I don't think that'll get you attention.
I was just playing. You know damn well I would never do that.
Yeah, that'll get you fucking blocked.
Yeah, I would never do that. I was just playing.
No dick for
I
you.
was trolling for a while.
Yeah, I know you be trolling, you little troll.
Yeah.
No, it's all good though. Shit, I don't give a fuck. Do what you do. Just keep a nigga name out there, you feel me?
And you gonna keep your dick in my pussy.
Ooh,
That's what we gonna need.
talking your shit today, huh?
You definitely are, because you don't see me tonight. I already bought my flight. Think I'm a joke. You know I'll be fast with it.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see, man.
What you mean by keep your name out there now? What you mean by that?
What do I mean by keeping my name out there?
Yeah, what you mean? Elaborate.
All the things that you do, continue to do it. Just keep promoting.
Promoting you?
Yeah, keep promoting me. Yeah.
I just love my man. That's my man.
Yeah. I don't mind. Keep that shit alive.
Yeah, I got you.
You gotta give your soul to this shit.
You said what?
You gotta give your soul to this shit.
My soul go crazy.
Yeah.
I'll give my soul to you.
Okay. That's what I was talking about. Yeah. Keep your foot on their fucking neck, alright?
And why you losing weight, my guy? Why you looking like you losing weight? Do I need to go over there and cook for you for... Yeah.
Why, you
done
want me to be
lost like
fat?
10 pounds. Yeah, I need you to stay chunky.
Yeah, man, I don't want to be fat. I'm already cool where I'm at.
You said what?
I said I don't want to be fat. I'm already cool where I'm at.
Yeah, but you losing weight.
Yeah, that's what you do when you don't want to be fat.
But I like you fat.
Nah,
But you
fuck
looking
that.
for the fat.
Fuck that.
She means like that.
Fuck that. As long as I got a fat dick, it's good.
Nah, get these bitches to cook for you. If you gonna be fucking them, make them cook for you.
Alright, send out a text blast to all the hoes. Make sure they wash the clothes. You dig?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna holler back. I'm gonna call you.
All right.
Yeah, I need some golden retrievers shot. For sure. Maybe a little golden retriever. Shout out to Liz Ray Backwards for the sub. Liz Ray Backwards. Yeah, we in Miami, Chad. We're gonna go out tonight. I'm gonna fuck with y'all all day. If y'all fuck with me all day. Sub up. Fucking stream. Let's fucking stream. Ooh, I'm a streamer. I look like I'm ready for like a point. Shout out to Liz Ray Backwards for the sub. Shout out to Delilah 337 for the sub. Hey there, Delilah. You know I'm here too. Yes, you do.
Cause it's on Wi-Fi. Just drop.
Okay. It's working now. Chat, what do you guys want to know? You guys want me to talk to y'all? Fine. What do you want to know, chat? What the fuck do you want to know? Is BeeBee pregnant? Probably fucking not. What else? Let's have like a therapy session chat. Have you talked to me? Yes. Of course. Talk all the time. Shout out to Lexi F Baby for the sub. They're letting these girls into your life and they just use you. You are the finest nigga I've ever seen. Oh, Snapchat. Damn, bro, you got the biggest dick ever. Damn, how you know that? Good looking out, Chad. Appreciate that. I just want to suck your dick all night. Oh, whoa, Chad.
Wait, the chat said that?
Whoa, Chad. Chill, Chad.
My dick?
You have the largest cock I've ever seen on Twitch. Hey, yo. The chat's tripping today, yo.
Did they say anything about my dick?
You are the swollest nigga on Twitch right now. I just want to eat your cock. Yo. How you doing? Hello. What's up, baby mama? Yeah, you know I'm gonna be there. What is missing for the world? Yeah, I'm just kicking back, my toes out, just chilling. You said they look what? No, they're actually pretty nice. Can you hear me? Alright. Talk to you later. Alright, love you too.
You saw my text? I just sent you a picture of what keep happening.
Camera?
Mm-hmm. And then he said that shit too. He said that shit.
Nigga never did. Why the fuck you didn't listen to the nigga?
He said so much. I just wanted him to do his fucking job.
Shit.
Yep. Maybe if I make it cooler in the room. It's on now.
Chat, the camera keeps overheating. It's not the connection. The person at Best Buy told me this what happened, and I didn't fucking listen to him. The nigga number 3 didn't listen to him either, so we bought the camera that he said would overheat, and now it's overheating. What the fuck?
Either way, going with you, boss. So fuck that nigga.
Yeah, we're gonna return it. I wasn't being cheap, chat. They didn't have the camera in the store. They wanted me to go to another store, and I was just...
I'm thinking if I can make the room colder, it might be. Because it's pretty warm. Yeah, it's 73 degrees here.
You think that's gonna make a difference?
Let's see.
Shout out to this way backwards for the sub. Yeah, nigga number 3 talking about if he turned the fucking AC on, it's gonna keep the camera from overheating.
I'm a fan too.
What the fuck is wrong with this nigga? I don't think it works like that. Put some ice on that shit.
Put some ice on the napkin and fan it?
I'm just playing, bro. We should look. Chat, if we in the stream for the camera purposes. Shout out to Mr. Slimy for the sub. Mr. Slimy. Got the receipt for this camera, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna punch this stream right now anyway. Yeah, I can buy a new camera trap, but unfortunately, I'm in fucking Miami, Florida, where I don't have a car or know where the fuck to go. So I'm not gonna risk my life for a camera trap. Can't do that as soon as convenience. Yeah, I mean, that's just stream later. I'm gonna take a nap.
Alright. I got the selfie to go this up.
Yeah, let's just do it later. Is the camera gonna be able to work later though? Like, why is it getting so hot so fast now?
Yeah, that I don't know.
The battery?
It's the same battery. There's nothing different. Yeah, it's just hot. Good. I gotta sink in this ice in this lesson. I'm gonna put this on right now.
Alright, we'll keep it on. If it goes out again, then we'll switch it. Turn the AC off there.
Off?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask ChatGPT.
Oh, yeah, cold in your chat. Where the hole's at? I wish I had a bad bitch to hold me from the back right now.
to be really stressed out a lot. Yeah, it scared me too. Or, you know, just, I'm strong. Baby, I done been through some shit. Just because a little relationship and all this extra shit that y'all are seeing is not about to affect me. I don't think